This week on Sundays with Sully, we are checking out all things Dockmate while we are down here at the Lauderdale Boat Show. Let's get after it, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Sundays with Sully. We are down here in Fort Lauderdale, like I said in the intro. I got Josh here from Dockmate, and we are talking all things Dockmate. You guys got some new great stuff out there, some new integration. Hoping you guys can give us a little insight onto it and let us know what's good.
Chris, absolutely. What I'm holding in my hand is the Dockmate Twist Remote. Currently, this boat sitting in front of the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, we are in dynamic positioning mode. So what that means is we've got our boat's propulsion that's sitting here, it's holding us in place. We don't have to do anything. And so just as an example, if I may, if I just take this joystick and I lay it over sideways, I'm actually rotating this boat away from our current position. And let's just say I wanted to correct this, I'll just give us a little twist just to get us moving around. I let go, 1, 2, our dynamic positioning is going to re-engage and it's going to hold this new position.
And it's key here, this dynamic positioning, this is a straight shaft boat, right? We're straight shaft and a bow thruster.
That's correct.
We're not working with pods in this scenario. You do work with pods, but it's important to note, this works on a retrofit level for the boats with straight shafts as well.
That is a great point. We can integrate with outboards, with straight shafts, with pods. For the precision mode, we do require a proportional thruster on here.
Understandable.
But we can always engage this in an ocean mode, which will just use our rear propulsion, and it'll allow us to, essentially, the stern of the boat will weather vane to the wind and current.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. And obviously, even if they have a standard bow thruster, it's easy enough to upgrade that, get the proportional controls through whichever vendor they're having, for their bow thruster, and integrate in to get this type of control. And I think also, talking integration, it's important to note, you guys, how well you integrate and play nicely with everybody from Volvo. We've done that personally a bunch on the Volvos with very good success. That just, it goes in, you play nice. There's no alerts on the screen, no warnings, no anything. It just treats it as an extra helm station, basically, right?
Well, what sets us apart is that we do use the Volvo OEM TJS gateway that is installed into the system. And what that result is essentially you have no errors, you have no warranty issues. It's a clean, precise installation that's speaking that native CAN bus language. And if a Volvo technician happens to come along, you're just simply going to see our system shows up as an additional helm station.
So they're not getting those extra alerts and pop-ups every time they want to go ahead and engage their joystick controls.
Absolutely not. So you don't see those unwanted errors on your MFDs when you're cranking up the boat, when you're dealing with the controls. It is a very native type communications where you have no errors.
That's awesome. And guys, the biggest thing I see when I'm doing my trainings is docking. People are afraid of it. They're stressed out about it. This takes that stress away. You can walk around your boat, tie your boat up, and now you've had your beautiful day on the water, and it doesn't end with arguments and stress. You're going to walk off the boat still in a good mood from your boating experience. At least that's my takeaway that I've seen.
Chris, we pride ourselves on being the safest and most reliable remote control system in the industry.
That's awesome. Well, Josh, thank you very much for your time. You guys want to know anything else about this, leave it down below in the comments. Give them a follow there on the socials at Dockmate, and we'll see you guys next week with something cool. Peace.